you.
At this point in the video,
I got this.
yeah,
this is a venomous fish.
I had just landed the first fish of the day. It was a
You like my
sea
clam
robin
sandwich?
with venomous fins,
Fucker.
as you hear.
Don't, Adam, language.
I'm not gonna do the audio for this clip because my older brother, who is doing fish,
Hey,
got
hey,
stabbed.
go ahead.
And to watch the VODs, because I
His
might
nose
get a hit
hurting,
you.
and he swore multiple times. So
Adam,
I'm gonna do this type of audio.
fish.
So
Adam,
he was determined to get the hook out. So I was just standing there watching.
not hopeless.
I was shaking violently because I was freezing because it was 45 degrees, raining, and windy. 20 plus, 20, 30 mile per hour winds with gusts up to 40.
Cool.
Not fun. So if it's a bit shaky, I am sorry for that.
I'm shaking
But I was
so
really cold.
much.
And my finger is in the way. I'm sorry about that too.
Oh, listen.
Does
Does he have teeth?
By the mouth.
But at this
It does
part,
have
he
teeth.
finally got the hook out, and he handed the fish to me, and the fish decided to thrash around.
Oh, he's shaking.
As you
Yeah.
can see here, it's displaying its fins, and
Look
I
at those
tossed it
fins.
back in the water, and it swims away.
Woo!
So, in case you were wondering what happened there, this is what happened.
Just cut it.
Then,
I know it's almost untakeable,
Trying to
but
get
you're gonna
his
have to get
rod
those
untangled
that
in the
ring
net.
through those holes.
and
And that's not fun
we
to
actually
do.
have the same line. We just wait for another fish to bite, and then I do a little
first fish.
celebration dance because, hey, it's been about an hour, 30 minutes. This is about 25 minutes later. Adam
bigger than
caught
sea robin?
Yep, definitely.
a skate, also known as a thornback ray.
Curled up.
When they feel threatened, they
He's unsweet.
sometimes ball up like this. And interesting fact about these rays, they actually don't have
That
a
got struck
sting.
hard.
So they're not stingray, they're just rays. They're also really common around here, so tossed it back, it uncurled, and it swam away. Yeah. All of these fish are catch and release, except for the
I'm
next
shaking
one.
so much. Oh, it's so cold. So
Yet
cold.
again, I'm sorry for the shaking. This next one, this is about 10 minutes after the skate, I caught a scup. These are very popular fish,
Yep, not
really
cute.
good eating, and it had
Look at the
actually
line.
swallowed the hook.
No, they don't. Line.
If you want to see my attempt to get the
Chenier,
hook out, go to
Oh, I'm shaking so much.
ALAC. Go to his Instagram channel. I think it's ALAC something or other.
You just want to kill something, don't you?
But you can follow me, and then I'm following him. So that's how you can find his Instagram channel.
Yeah. Anthony. Right.
But we ended
Good.
up
Set up.
actually
As long as you do it quickly.
And not on camera.
having to kill the scup because it was
Don't go.
not going to live with the size hook I had, and it was in its throat.
Hey. Plus, on this,
So it really stunk.
get the hook.
Here we're getting ready for the death blow. Sadly, I feel really bad for having to kill a perfectly healthy
Some
fish.
bigger fish.
But it was gonna die if we left the hook in there, and we were running low on striker bait, which is what our target species of the day was, but we just couldn't seem to catch it. So if you don't like fish getting their heads chopped off by a knife, look away for this next part.
No, it's didn't. It didn't even puncture the skin.
So the first blow didn't exactly
I think he broke his
cut
spine.
it, but I think it broke its spine, which is even worse. So Adam grabbed the knife,
Yeah, he killed it. It's dead.
and we started sawing away, and he cut the head off.
I hate having to kill fish.
And then he started using that for
I mean, we
striker
could
bait,
keep it
and
and eat it.
turned out crabs really like
You just cut my
and
line.
scup me. And so we caught a crab about 5 minutes after this. We didn't keep the crab. I put the crab in my
It's kind
hat
of
and
obvious
called it my
who's
friend
gone.
because me and the crab were buddies because I caught the
You
crab.
cut my line anyway.
It was quick.
No, actually, I didn't catch the crab.
Nope, you didn't cut my line.
Well,
Anthony caught the crab. He's the guy in the other costume. Or Hey. Caught a crab. Thank you for watching this video. I am sorry if the quality's not the best. I was really cold, and I don't have a chest mount yet. My old clip-on chest mount actually broke, so I had to, let me turn it around here. I don't have one anymore. So this entire time I was holding the camera like I am now. So I plan to do some airsoft videos, and more fishing videos. So when this gets out, it's probably going to be about 3 o'clock, 3:30 on Tuesday, the day after Memorial Day. The day we fished this was Monday, Memorial Day. By the way, happy Memorial Day. I know it's late, but happy Memorial Day. Thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I am sorry for the lack of videos I've been able to post lately. I had a camera malfunction where the SD card actually broke, so we had to get a new one. It took 2 weeks for it to come in for some reason. So thank you for watching.